Here is an introduction for you guys about the poem साखी. साखी शब्द साक्षी शब्द का ही तद्भव रूप है. The word साखी is the derivative form. तद्भव रूप here means the derivative form of the word साक्षी. साक्षी शब्द साक्ष्य से बना है जिसका अर्थ होता है प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञान. The word sakshi is derived from or originated from the word sakshya. साक्ष्य का अर्थ होता है प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञान. प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञान means perception, which means साक्ष्य. यह प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञान गुरु शिष्य को प्रदान करता है. This word pratyaksh gyan or perception over here implies for the teacher and the student. Pratyaksh gyan here is the perception. Guru means teacher. Shishya means student. को प्रदान करता है. प्रदान here means implies. संत संप्रदाय में अनुभव ज्ञान की ही महत्वता है, शास्त्रीय ज्ञान की नहीं. Sant Sampradaya here means in the society where sages live, saints live. अनुभव ज्ञान practical knowledge की ही महत्वता है. महत्वता here means importance. शास्त्रीय ज्ञान की नहीं, not the classical knowledge. So, in the society where saints live, practical knowledge is more important than classical knowledge. Practical knowledge is considered more important than the old classical knowledge. कबीर का अनुभव क्षेत्र विस्तृतता. कबीर का अनुभव means Kabir's experience was kshetra vistrat. Here means broad, wide. So Kabir had lot of experiences. कबीर जगह जगह भ्रमण कर प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञान प्राप्त करते थे. So Kabir जगह जगह from one place to another. भ्रमण कर means he traveled or he roamed. प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञान practical knowledge or the knowledge of perception प्राप्त करते थे. He gained. प्राप्त here means he gained. So Kabir traveled from one place to another to gain knowledge of perception or the practical knowledge. अथ उनके द्वारा रचित साखियों में अवधी, राजस्थानी, भोजपुरी और पंजाबी भाषाओं के शब्द का प्रभाव स्पष्ट दिखाई पड़ता है. अथ means hence, उनके द्वारा through him, रचित composed साखियों, so the साखियों composed by him is a mixture of these languages: Awadhi, Rajasthani, Bhojpuri and Punjabi. So hence he mixed languages like Awadhi, Rajasthani, Bhojpuri and Punjabi in his Sakhiyon which he had composed. इसी कारण उनकी भाषा को पचमेल खिचड़ी कहा जाता है. Due to this reason, कारण means reason, उनकी भाषा his language को पचमेल खिचड़ी. Pachmel means it's the heterogeneous mixture of everything like khichdi कहा जाता है. Due to this reason, his language is referred as Pachmel Khichdi. कबीर की भाषा को साधुखड़ी भी कहा जाता है. So people often refer his language as sage-like. Sadgadi matlab sage-like. So in this para we saw that the word Saki is derived from the word Sakshi. The word Sakshi is derived from the word Sakshya, which means perception. This knowledge of perception implies for Guru and Shishya. In the society where saints live, practical knowledge is only considered more important, not the classical knowledge. Kabir had lot of experiences because Kabir traveled from one place to another to gain knowledge of perception or practical knowledge. Hence, he mixed languages like Awadhi, Rajasthani, Bhojpuri, and Punjabi in his Sakyu, which he had composed. Due to this reason, his language is referred as Pachmel Kichdi, which is a heterogeneous mixture of everything. So people often refer his language sage like. साकी वस्तुत दोहा छंद ही है जिसका लक्षण है 13 और 11 के विश्राम से 24 मात्रा. Saki Vastut. Saki Vastut here is indeed. Doha Chand. Doha means couplet. Chand means verse. Couplet verse ही है जिसका लक्षण है 13 और 11 के विश्राम से 24 मात्रा. Matra here is quantity. So, Saki consists of a total 24 couplet verses, which indeed is categorized into two sections, 13 and 11, each having two verses. प्रस्तुत पाठ की साखियां प्रमाण है कि सत्य की साक्षी देता हुआ ही गुरु शिष्य को जीवन के तत्व ज्ञान की शिक्षा देता है. प्रस्तुत पाठ means the current lesson. The present lesson here is a proof. प्रमाण means proof है कि सत्य की साक्षी. सत्य means truth. साक्षी means evidence. देता हुआ ही गुरु शिष्य को जीवन के तत्व ज्ञान here means the philosophy of life की शिक्षा देता है. शिक्षा education. So, the Sakyo of the present chapter proves that only by giving the evidence of truth, a guru can educate his shishya or student the philosophy of life. तत्व ज्ञान की शिक्षा, जीवन के तत्व ज्ञान की शिक्षा देता है. यह शिक्षा जितनी प्रभावपूर्ण होती है उतनी ही याद रह जाने योग्य भी. शिक्षा here means education. जितनी प्रभावपूर्ण, प्रभावपूर्ण means effective होती है उतनी ही याद रह जाने. याद means to remember. योग्य means worth. So, this education is as effective as it is worth remembering. So, this para over here says that Saki consists of a total 24 couplet verses, which means Doha Chand, which indeed is categorized into two sections of 13 and 11, each having two verses. The Sakya of the present age chapter proves that only by giving the evidence for the truth, a guru can educate his shishya by philosophy of life. This education is as effective as it is worth remembering.